AquaClean filters the water to ensure intense aroma, and it reduces the need to descale your machine by preventing the formation of limescale. No descaling for up to 5,000 cups. 625 cups. Enjoy up to 625 cups of caffeinated goodness without calcium buildup thanks to our ion exchange technology. Easy installation, effortless and intuitive with a click-and-go system. Please use only original Philips AquaClean filter to ensure the maximum lifetime and the safety of your Philips and Saeco appliances. In cup quality, the micro-porous filter prevents impurities from contaminating the water, so you can always get a perfect cup. Philips AquaClean Calc and water filter for Espresso Machine, for quality coffee and intense aroma without descaling for up to 5,000 cups. Enjoy pure water for a fine-tasting coffee from your espresso maker with this easy-to-install, calcium-blocking filter. Please use only Philips AquaClean filter to ensure the maximum lifetime and the safety of your Philips and Saeco appliances. CA 690322. Top reviews from the United States. Great price OEM. This is a OEM filter for Saeco, Philips and many more espresso coffee machines, the best price available on internet. Using this filter, you can skip the descaling process for your machine for 5,000 cups. Really a great value if you want to keep your machine running smoothly for years. I really don't want to risk my machine using cheaper filters that are similar but not under the manufacturer warranty.